live with Christ to the rest of my life. My eyes fixed to the Lord on high, my soul thirsts for the living